Hi there guys, and welcome back to another video from FrogLane Studio. I'm back. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support over the past couple of months. I've been going through a lot of personal trouble and strife, and I released a video a couple of months back in terms of my mental health and my own personal story. If you guys haven't seen that already, I thoroughly suggest you check it out. I've got it just up here. If you know someone who's going through mental health issues at the moment, then there is support out there, and I hope that video helps. So without further ado, I've got some very exciting news, and probably the reason why you guys have tuned in to this video. I've teamed up with an amazing creator of aftermarket parts for McFarlane's called The Fabricator, and he has provided me with the world's first McFarlane Dreadnought. We're going to be unboxing this in a second. In the next video, we're going to be looking at painting it. I'm going to be showing you where you can get your hands on this bad boy. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Nice.
My goodness me. Okay, so first things first, this model is absolutely huge. Take a look. So this is fully detailed that we've got going on here. You've got your power fist and the assault cannon. This is actually a Contemptor Dreadnought model. Oh my goodness. I'm going to try and put this together next to a normal sized McFarlane Space Marine. Let's have a look. Here we go. This thing is almost twice the size. Look at the leg. Look at the leg. Guys, its waist comes up to the chest of a McFarlane. Oh my goodness me. The assault cannon. This is so detailed. This is just like the original. Oh my goodness me. I don't know whether you guys are seeing that on camera, but it's so detailed. Look at this. Look at this. He's so big. Oh, wow. Wow. Let me try and get a side-by-side comparison. Let me just move the camera real quick. This model is huge. It stands 25 in new money, 26 centimeters high, which in old money is about 10 and a half inches. This guy is gonna be amazing when he's painted. I cannot wait. Oh, wow. It's so detailed, guys. It's so detailed. I cannot get over how good this model looks. It's fully posable, so you're able to, with all of the ball and socket joints, get full articulation on this thing. So you can buy multiples of this. Oh, wow. Oh. There we go then, guys. That is the McFarlane Dreadnought. If you want to get your hands on one of these models, there will be a strictly limited run released on Black Friday. That's November 22nd, 2021. If you want it, make sure you're subscribed, hit that bell notification. There will be a video released on that day showing my completed model, and also the link to where you guys can get your hands on this. Once they're gone, they're gone. Stay tuned. Take care. Until the next video, thanks once again for watching, and I'll see you next time.